Alright, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm recording my screen again, so if I don't look directly into the camera, it's because I'm looking at my screen. So I want to get into today's video, and that is the benefits of fitness. The thing is, most people think that fitness is only about the physical. The truth? Fitness is about showing up stronger in every aspect of life. So let's get into today's video. Basically, fitness is energy for life. Regular movement isn't just about appearance. It's about increasing vitality and being able to fully engage in daily life. It's about being able to walk up the stairs without being out of breath. Because the thing is, consistent exercise improves energy, reduces fatigue, and enhances overall functionality. It also allows people to show up fully in work, relationships, and personal growth. And that is only the physical part. The mental aspect is that movement is basically shaping emotions. A personal example: a couple of days back I had a horrible day because mentally I was not in the right place. But I remembered that my only remedy is movement, so I decided to work out, even though everything in my body was telling me not to do so. The thing is, emotion is deeply connected to motion, and as soon as I started moving, that negative feeling, that bad vibration dissipated. Tony Robbins said something beautiful, and it said, emotion is created by motion. Basically, small changes in movements, like standing taller, for example, walking faster, or stretching, can boost your confidence and improve emotional balance. As I said, I was feeling like shit. I decided to move, and everything became much better. Not to say that the problem or the thing that I was stressing about went away, but it changed my view on that thing. So basically, changing your posture, moving the body, and engaging in physical activity can shift your mood, energy levels, and emotional states almost instantly. And we tend to sometimes underestimate that. Not only that, by moving, you start sweating oftentimes, and clarity of mind comes with sweat. Exercise improves mental clarity, focus, and creativity. Also, if you're stuck, if you want to do something creative and you don't know where to start, get yourself moving. It changes your mood, your energy, your clarity in an instant. Physical activity reduces mental clutter. As I said, it lowers stress because you make this happy hormone. I don't remember the biological name anymore, or scientific name, whatever you want to call it. But it gives you more happy hormones. I think it's called endorphins. But by doing so, by moving your body, the clutter, the stress goes away. And it also supports cognitive performance. Regular workouts help the brain function optimally, enhancing memory, problem solving, and decision making. So move your body. Strength training builds more than muscles. Lifting weights or engaging in resistance work increases physical strength, while promoting discipline, resilience, and confidence. If you've been working out for a while, I'm pretty sure this hits home. You feel more confident about yourself. You feel like you're becoming more powerful. And also, in combination with telling yourself that you're going to work out and you actually do it, this also improves your confidence. And you can use these qualities in other areas of life, such as your work, relationship, your side hustle, your business, whatever it is you're focusing on. Also, when you look good, not to say that that's the main purpose, when you look good, you will also start behaving different, and it makes people respect you more. Another part of fitness is cardio, something that a lot of people hate to do. But cardio can be done in different ways, such as swimming, running, walking, cycling, whatever. Playing basketball, for example. This helps you with your cardiovascular activity because it strengthens the heart and lungs while fostering mental endurance, persistence, and the ability to stay committed over the long run or long term. It teaches that incremental, consistent effort creates meaningful results in both fitness and life, which is true. Another important aspect of fitness is flexibility and mobility, something that I've been working on over the past weeks and months. You can think of things such as stretching, yoga, or other mobility exercises. They help you to enhance range of motion, prevent injuries, an important thing, and maintain long-term functional movement. My goal, I'm 36 by now, my goal is to be able to still pick something off the floor when I'm 80. Hopefully I get to live that long. I want to be able to pick something off the floor without hurting my back, which is a weak point at the moment. And I can't help that it's a weak point, but all I know is that I can do something in order for me to improve my back health. something a lot of people tend to forget. You can be the most muscular you can be, but if you're not flexible, it's not going to help you, because you still need to be able to do things, functional things, daily. And another important thing is the prevention of injury. The last thing you want is to have an injury that sets you back months, weeks, or even years. By focusing on stretching, yoga, or other mobility exercises, these practices help the body feel lighter, more responsive and capable, supporting overall physical longevity and ease of movement. Another thing, implementing yoga and meditation. That's something I combine. I always stretch and then I do a 5 or 10 minute meditation right after. This helps you to connect with your body and stay in connection with your body, especially before working out. By turning inward, you connect with your mind and you prepare your mind for you to get ready to do the heavy lifting, for example, or whatever exercise you're planning to do. So another thing, sweating is a mental reset. Physical activity acts as a natural stress reliever, like we said before. Exercise lowers cortisol levels, reduces anxiety, and leaves the mind clearer and calmer. It all comes back to what I said in the beginning. You're feeling stuck, you're feeling anxious, you're feeling stressed. Move your body. It puts you back into your power because it makes you realize you can control everything in life, but you can't control what you do. In this case, you can choose to move, no matter how tired. It's a well-used excuse, or well-known excuse, I should say. I feel tired, I don't want to work out. The funny thing is, after you're done working out, you feel this boost of energy. So, tired to work out is not a legit excuse. Alright, the 8th benefit is presence through movement. Something beautiful that I experienced a couple of days back. I was working out and I had this huge headache. Usually I listen to music, but this day I decided not to listen to music. And what happened was, to my surprise, not working out with music, I felt more present in my body, in the movements I was doing. Usually, music kind of distracts us, right? But this time, working out without music, I was really present in what I was doing. And it opened my eyes, something that I'm going to do more often, working out without music. The thing is, practicing mindfulness through movement can enhance focus and awareness for anyone. So, you have the workout out of the way, now it's time to nourish your body. Oftentimes, people work out like crazy and then don't pay attention to what they consume, because they either consume junk food or they don't focus on the nutrients their body needs, especially after a workout. So nourishing the body is self-respect. Proper nutrition combined with movement is an act of honoring yourself, right? You tell your body, I love you, I'm here, I'm for you, I'm with you, we're together in this one. Fitness isn't punishment. So let's say you ate 2 bags of chips the day before. Doesn't mean that today you have to punish yourself by working out. It's not punishment. Fitness is providing the body with what it needs to thrive physically, mentally, and emotionally, or spiritually. This approach supports energy, recovery, and overall well-being. Fitness helps you to connect your body, mind, and spirit. Beyond physical benefits, consistent movement teaches discipline, awareness, and resilience. It promotes a sense of wholeness, grounding, and deeper connection with oneself and life, making fitness a holistic lifestyle rather than just a routine. And yes, sometimes it might feel like a routine, but see this workout session as an hour, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or however long you work out, as a moment to honor yourself, your mind, your body, and spirit. So whenever you feel like you don't want to work out today, remember these last sentences I'm going to tell you. So whenever you feel like you don't want to work out, remember this. Fitness isn't just what happens in the gym. It's how presence, energy, and resilience show up in every movement. It's living fully without hesitation. That's a real measure of strength. Alright, so that was the video for today about the benefits of working out. And these are just 10 benefits. There are plenty more, but for now I want to keep it to this. If you made it this far, thank you. Thank you for your time. And before I close this video off, I want to say, leave in the comment sections some other benefits you've noticed from working out, fitness, or whatever type of sport you do. Thank you for your time again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.